Today, Sarah and I decided to make a contorno, a side dish of salsiccia e fagioli. And we're gonna accompany it with some freshly baked bread. If you listen closely, you can hear the symphony of the bread that has just come out of the oven. We preheated the pan in the gas-fired oven. And we're gonna put the salsiccia, the sausage, right in here. Yesterday we made some fagioli all'uccelletto, which is a typical Tuscan dish, absolutely delicious. And today we're gonna serve it with the sausage. We're also gonna add some aglio in camicia, garlic with a shirt on, and then we of course love a little bit of heat. So we're gonna add some hot pepper flakes, peperoncino, and we can put it in the oven. Our oven is hot. We're gonna slide them right on top of these saputo stones that are nicely preheated. We will close the door and allow the oven to do its magic. Let's peek inside. Ooh, look at there. The sausage is ready. And now we're gonna remove it, place it in this bowl, and then we're also gonna take out some of this grease. And look at this, the garlic. Oh my goodness, that's gonna be like savory candy. And then we're gonna put the beans right back in here and heat it up. So our beans go right in here. We're gonna place the beans back in here, heat them up a bit, and then once they're heated, we're also gonna place the sausage on top. Our fagioli all'uccelletto are piping hot, and now we're going to be able to put the sausage right on here and once again place it in there for just a minute or two so everything is beautifully hot and ready to be served. Look at this. Back in for a minute or two. Finally we get to bring it out. Look at this. Don't you want to make this at home? And here we are, guys, finally with our beautiful fagioli all'uccelletto. And now we're going to accompany everything with this freshly baked bread. Some nice slices to go with it. And this will be an absolutely amazing lunch. You can serve it as a side dish, but this time I'm going to place some right on this bread and have it as a delicious snack. Oh wow, look at this. At this point, I'm going to wish you un buon appetito.